In front of me is Honor 200 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down, then tap on Accessibility Features to access one-handed mode, and tap on this switcher to activate it. Then slide your finger across the button of the screen if you are using Tricky's navigation, and if you are using gesture, do the same, just hold at the end. As you can see, one-handed mode is on. Click Got it and use your little screen however you want to. If you wish to go back, click on blank area. To change direction of your little screen, just swipe in the opposite direction. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same, now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!